Good morning. Attempt number 2 on this video. The first one, I forgot to plug in my dang microphone. So let's go over the stocks that I got on watch this morning. Last week, I apologize. I took a little hiatus. Had some family come up for Christmas. So that's what I was doing last week. But let's take a look at what is potentially in play today. Kind of a short watch list this morning, as you know, I've been out of the game for a little bit, so got to get recollected. Maybe have a fully comprehensive watch list tomorrow. But the first one up on the watch list is Owuv. Now this stock is super overextended. It's a metaverse play, so it has the potential to go up higher. Would I play it if it started going up higher? No. What I'm looking for out of Owuv is actually a morning panic dip buy, probably somewhere in the 0.30 range, so like 30-cent range. I'd like to see it get down there for a panic, hop in, take the quick 5-10%, and then hop out. That's about the only way that I'd play Owuv, considering it is so overextended. Now, I'm not saying it sets up for that. It could go up more. It could just kind of consolidate. But regardless, that's the only way that I would play that one. Next one, Aabb. Now this one, if I was at my computer on Thursday, I would have played this one in the afternoon. You can see it kind of consolidated all day. It was a little red. And then when it broke the high in the morning, from the morning in the afternoon, never went back down below it, and it had a pretty good run into the close. Now Aabb has an upcoming catalyst, and that is tomorrow. Their cryptocurrency exchange is going live. So I would play this as a buy the rumor, sell the news type of play. So what I'm looking for on this is some strength out of the gate, put in a morning spike, and either hop in on the initial spike, or wait for a little bit of a pullback off from its highs, hop in there. Now, because it has the news coming out tomorrow, I would not hold this overnight. Maybe the price is already built in for when the cryptocurrency exchange comes out. Maybe the cryptocurrency exchange is a flop. Maybe they have a reason to delay it. You never know. So you want to eliminate that variable as much as possible. So the only way that I would not hold this overnight. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there for a second. But I really like where it is on the daily chart. You can see on the 1 year, 1 day chart, it topped out right about where this previous high was from its last run. Might have even broken over it a little bit. It looks like it did. So I really like where this stock is. Breakout buyers are going to be watching it. It's going to be on a lot of people's radars because of the upcoming cryptocurrency exchange launch. So this is my number 1 watch of the day for sure. The other one that I have an eye on this morning is Iles. Now Iles has a PR this morning. They completed their acquisition of Bullhead Products. They make truck beds, aluminum truck beds, things of that nature. I don't know if it's really going to influence the stock price that much. You know, it could be already priced in. But what I'd be looking for is a little bit of a dip and rip. On Thursday, it had a decently strong close. So I'd be looking for people that held it over the weekend to exit their positions, wait for the stock to put in a low, and then a higher low, and then it's probably going to continue higher if that happens. So I'd hop in off that higher low and ride it for 10% or so, somewhere in that neighborhood. Now this is a higher priced OTC stock, so whether or not we get 10% is also up in the air. But that's on my watch list. That pretty well sums it up for today. Looks like OTCs are getting a little stronger. So the hope is there. Hopefully it will keep going in the right direction. If you haven't hit that follow button, make sure that you do. We have morning watch lists before the market open, just like this one every morning that I'm trading. We also have the afternoon reviews where I went over whether I made money, lost money, what worked, what didn't work, things of that nature. We also have the Trading 101 video series, always building on that content, covering the basics of trading and starting to move into more complex topics. So make sure you hit that follow button. You don't want to miss a thing. Also, if you hit that like button, Santa will be watching for next year. Okay, best of luck out there, guys. Thank you.